The hidden power of the indoor plants, fresh food at home all year round. Did you know that right now, while you're watching this video, the air in your home could be silently harming your health? I'm talking about invisible toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide floating around your living space, causing everything from headaches to respiratory problems. But here's the incredible news that will change everything about how you think about houseplants. What if I told you that 8 specific plants could transform your home into a health sanctuary while also providing you with fresh food? Today, I'm revealing the ultimate indoor plant arsenal that will revolutionize your well-being and potentially save you hundreds of dollars on air purifiers and medical bills. But here's where it gets really exciting. 4 of these 8 plants will actually feed you while they're cleaning your air. Imagine walking into your kitchen and picking fresh herbs for dinner while knowing those same plants are removing cancer-causing toxins from your environment. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is happening in homes around the world right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen in yours. Let me start with the most urgent revelation. Every single day you spend without these plants, you're missing out on cleaner air, better sleep, reduced stress, and improved mental clarity. The science is overwhelming. Studies have proven that certain houseplants can reduce psychological stress by up to 15% and improve cognitive function significantly. Your current indoor environment is likely working against you, but we're about to flip that script completely. Plant number 8 on our countdown might surprise you because most people think of it as just a pretty succulent. The ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamioculcas zamiifolia, is actually a medicinal powerhouse disguised as low-maintenance decor. This glossy green beauty contains powerful antioxidants called triterpenoids and polyphenolic compounds that can help soothe earaches and fight inflammation. But what makes it absolutely essential for your home is its incredible resistance to pests and diseases, making it virtually bulletproof for beginners. Place your ZZ plant in any corner of your home with moderate to low light. It thrives in neglect, requiring water only when the soil is completely dry, which usually means once every 2 to 3 weeks. The thick, waxy leaves store water like tiny reservoirs, making this plant perfect for busy lifestyles or frequent travelers. Position it away from direct sunlight to prevent leaf scorch, and watch it slowly but steadily purify your air while asking for almost nothing in return. Moving to number 7, we have the Jade plant, also called the money plant or good luck plant. Beyond the superstitions about wealth attraction, this succulent delivers real health wealth. Jade plants are oxygen factories that work overtime, releasing fresh oxygen even during nighttime hours when most plants shut down this process. This makes them exceptional bedroom companions for better sleep quality. The Jade plant loves bright, indirect sunlight, making a south-facing window ideal. Water it deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. These plants can live for decades with proper care, literally becoming family heirlooms. Place them in bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices where you spend the most time to maximize their oxygen-boosting benefits. Number 6 brings us to the spider plant, a champion air purifier that removes carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene from your environment. What makes spider plants extraordinary is their rapid growth and ability to produce baby plants called plantlets, giving you an endless supply of air cleaners. Here's a fascinating fact that most people don't know. Spider plant leaves are actually edible and nutritious, with a slightly bitter taste similar to spinach. Hang spider plants in bright, indirect light where their cascading babies can drape beautifully. They prefer consistent moisture, but can forgive occasional neglect. The bathroom is an excellent location because they love humidity, and their air cleaning properties work overtime in spaces where chemicals from cleaning products accumulate. At number 5, we have the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This architectural beauty is a nighttime oxygen producer, making it perfect for bedrooms. Unlike most plants that absorb oxygen at night, snake plants continue pumping out fresh oxygen in darkness, improving your sleep quality naturally. Research from the American Society for Horticultural Science confirms that snake plants can reduce ozone concentration and eliminate airborne contaminants effectively. Snake plants are incredibly forgiving and actually prefer neglect. Place them in any light condition from bright indirect light to low light corners. Water them only when the soil is bone dry, which might be once a month or less. Their upright, sword-like leaves make dramatic statements while working silently to purify your air. Now we're entering the food-producing territory with number 4. Fresh herbs indoors aren't just convenient, they're health game changers. Basil, mint, cilantro, and parsley can thrive on sunny windowsills while providing fresh ingredients and air purification. These culinary powerhouses contain volatile oils that naturally repel insects while releasing beneficial compounds into your air. Create an indoor herb garden on your kitchen windowsill using small pots with good drainage. Most herbs need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, making south-facing windows ideal. Pinch flowers regularly to encourage leaf growth, and harvest frequently to promote bushy, productive plants. Bonus is having organic, fresh herbs at your fingertips while they're simultaneously cleaning your air. Number 3 introduces us to cherry tomatoes, the ultimate indoor food-producing air purifier. Dwarf cherry tomato varieties can flourish indoors, under grow lights, or in very sunny windows, providing fresh, organic tomatoes year-round while removing harmful chemicals from your air. The plants release oxygen during photosynthesis, and their large leaf surface area makes them excellent air filters. Use large containers with excellent drainage and provide at least 8 hours of bright light daily, supplementing with grow lights if necessary. Support the plants with small cages as they grow, and hand-pollinate the flowers with a small brush to ensure fruit production. Place them in your brightest room, typically near south-facing windows. At number 2, we have microgreens, the nutritional superstars that can grow from seed to harvest in just 7 to 14 days. These concentrated nutrition bombs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while improving indoor air quality. Varieties like broccoli, kale, and radish microgreens contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts. Grow microgreens on any bright windowsill using shallow trays filled with potting soil. They need consistent moisture and bright, indirect light. The rapid growth cycle means you can have fresh, organic superfoods constantly, while these baby plants work to purify your surrounding air. Finally, our number 1 healthiest indoor plant is the Pothos, often called devil's ivy. This trailing beauty is virtually indestructible while being one of the most effective air purifiers available. Pothos removes formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene from your environment while increasing humidity levels, which reduces your risk of viral infections like influenza. The magic of Pothos lies in its adaptability. It can grow in water alone, making it perfect for beginners, or thrive in soil with minimal care. Place it in bright, indirect light, though it tolerates low light conditions remarkably well. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, and watch it cascade beautifully from shelves, hang from ceilings, or climb moss poles. Here's what makes this urgent. Every day without these plants, you're breathing air that could be significantly cleaner and healthier. Compounds these plants remove, like formaldehyde and benzene, are linked to headaches, respiratory issues, and even more serious health concerns over time. But within just a few days of adding these plants to your home, you'll start noticing improvements in air quality, and within weeks, many people report better sleep, reduced stress, and improved overall well-being. The placement strategy is crucial for maximum benefits. Distribute plants throughout your home rather than clustering them in one area. Bedrooms should have snake plants or jade plants for nighttime oxygen production. Living areas benefit from larger plants like pothos and spider plants. Kitchens are perfect for herbs and small fruiting plants on windowsills. Remember that consistency in care creates the best results. Most plant failures happen because people either overwater or completely neglect their plants. Find a watering schedule that works for your lifestyle and stick to it. Check your plants weekly, looking for signs of stress like yellowing leaves or wilting. The psychological benefits are just as important as the physical ones. Having living plants in your space creates a connection tonature that reduces cortisol levels and promotes mental clarity. The act of caring for plants provides a meditative routine that many people find deeply satisfying and stress-relieving. Your home transformation starts today. These 8 plants will create an ecosystem of health that works continuously to improve your environment while providing food, beauty, and peace of mind. The investment is minimal compared to air purifiers or medical treatments, but the returns compound daily as these living air filters work around the clock. Don't wait another day to start building your healthy indoor oasis. Your lungs, your stress levels, and your overall health will thank you. Start with just 1 or 2 plants if budget is a concern. Then gradually add others as you build confidence and see results. The journey to a healthier home begins with a single plant, but the destination is a transformed living space that supports your well-being in ways you never imagined possible.